The future is not something that just happens. It is being built today through emerging technologies. These innovations are transforming how we live, work, and solve global challenges. Welcome to Lecture 6. In this lecture, you will learn key future trends in emerging technologies, how these trends impact different industries, opportunities and challenges ahead, how to prepare for the future, why study future trends. Understanding future trends helps you anticipate changes in your field, develop relevant skills, make informed career decisions, adapt to technological advancements. Technology is evolving rapidly, and staying informed is essential for success. Trend 1. Artificial intelligence and robotics. Artificial intelligence is becoming more advanced and capable of performing complex tasks. Key developments include autonomous AI systems that can make decisions, AI-powered cybersecurity systems, multifunctional robots. Examples across industries. Healthcare AI assists in diagnosis and drug discovery. Business AI automates customer service and data analysis. Manufacturing robots perform repetitive and precise tasks. Agriculture autonomous machines assist in farming. Trend 2. Computing and connectivity. Technology is becoming more connected and powerful. Key developments include cloud computing for global access to data, edge computing for faster processing, quantum computing for solving complex problems, spatial computing combining physical and digital environments. Examples: education, online learning platforms; business, remote work and collaboration tools; engineering, simulation and modeling systems. Trend 3. Biotechnology and health innovation. Biotechnology is transforming healthcare and medicine. Key developments include engineered therapies using modified cells, advanced drug development techniques, brain-computer interfaces. Examples: healthcare, personalized medicine based on genetic data. Research, development of targeted therapies, assistive technology devices that help people with disabilities. Trend 4. Sustainable and green technologies. Sustainability is becoming a global priority. Key developments include renewable energy solutions, energy storage systems, carbon capture technologies, AI-driven sustainable agriculture. Examples: energy, solar and wind power systems, agriculture, efficient water and resource usage, business, sustainable supply chains. Trend 5. Smart systems and digital transformation. Systems are becoming more intelligent and interconnected. Key developments include smart cities, Internet of Things, digital transformation in organizations. Examples: urban planning, smart traffic and energy systems, healthcare, remote patient monitoring, business, data-driven decision-making. Opportunities of emerging technologies. Emerging technologies create many opportunities: improved efficiency and productivity, new career paths and industries, better quality of life, innovative solutions to global challenges. Challenges of emerging technologies. At the same time, challenges must be addressed. Ethical concerns in AI and data usage, job displacement due to automation, security and privacy risks, digital inequality between regions. Case study: Smart City. A smart city uses technology to improve infrastructure and services. It includes smart transportation systems, efficient energy management, digital public services. This improves quality of life and supports sustainable development. How to prepare for the future. To succeed in a technology-driven world, continuously learn new skills, stay updated with technological trends, develop problem-solving abilities, be adaptable and open to change. Key message: emerging technologies are shaping the future of every profession. You have two choices: adapt and grow with technology, or fall behind as the world changes. Conclusion of Chapter 1. In this chapter, we have explored Introduction to Emerging Technologies, Evolution of Technology, Industrial revolutions. Role of data. Programmable devices. Human-machine interaction. Future trends. This knowledge forms the foundation for understanding modern technology. Final thought. The future belongs to those who understand and use technology effectively. Thank you for completing Chapter 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Get ready for the next chapter.